In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio 2026 Guide. If your site looks great on desktop but feels sluggish on phones, this quick workflow will help you deliver a faster, smoother mobile experience without rebuilding your pages. We'll focus on using Wix Studio's mobile breakpoint to hide heavy elements just for smaller screens, improving responsiveness and load times while keeping your desktop design untouched. Start by opening your project in the Wix Studio editor and switching to the mobile breakpoint at the top of the editor. This view isolates the phone layout, so every change you make here is scoped to mobile only. Your desktop and tablet designs remain exactly as they are, which makes this a safe place to refine performance and layout for smaller devices. Next, scan your mobile pages for common performance culprits. Large image galleries can demand a lot of bandwidth and processing power. Looping background videos while striking on desktop often slow down scrolling and can buffer on mobile data. Complex animation sequences and heavy effects like parallax create extra work for a phone's GPU. Third-party widgets can also add scripts that delay rendering. As you review, ask whether each element meaningfully supports your mobile goals. If not, it's a candidate to hide. When you're ready to streamline, select an element on the mobile canvas, right-click and choose Hide. The element disappears from the mobile layout but stays fully intact on desktop and tablet breakpoints. This targeted visibility is ideal for keeping essential content like headlines, key images, and calls to action front and center on a phone, while leaving richer visual flourishes for larger screens. If an item sits inside a container, remember that hiding the container hides everything within it, so you can quickly declutter entire sections when needed. As you pare things back, you'll notice 3 immediate benefits. Pages load faster because there's less to download and render on mobile data. Scrolling feels smoother without heavy animations or video loops interrupting the flow. And the experience becomes leaner and more focused, guiding visitors quickly to the actions that matter, like contacting you or completing a purchase. Best of all, this approach is fully reversible. You're hiding, not deleting, so you can experiment confidently. If you want to bring an element back later, simply unhide it in the mobile view and continue refining. Preview your changes to confirm that the layout reads clearly. Buttons are easy to tap, and text remains legible without unnecessary distractions. That's it. Switch to mobile view, identify the heavy hitters, hide them for phones, and enjoy a faster, cleaner experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.